Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I'm here to unbox a Wi-Fi 6 computer adapter inside the computer to fit into the PCIe slot, X1 slot that's open, or X2 on my ASUS 300 motherboard. So I got this off Temu. You can get it off Amazon or Newegg or Micro Center. Whatever Wi-Fi you have the 1000 megabit per second. Go ahead on and get something more stronger like the AC5400, etc. I have the AC200 because I'm on Xfinity 500 megabits per second. That's my Wi-Fi I'm on. That's the Wi-Fi I can afford. So enough of the talking. Let's unbox it. What do I have in the box? And I'm going to be going over the features of it and what does it does. Okay, so far we're looking good. What do we have in the box? We have your two antennas and the equipment itself and the screw. Alrighty. Now y'all probably wants to know what this cable is for. If you have an open slot on your motherboard, you can use the Bluetooth that is connected into the device. Now I'm going over the specifications and features. The device has Wi-Fi 6 bandwidth is 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz. Max speed is 300 to 800 megabits per second. Just like I said, I'm on 500 megabits per second, but if you own 1 gigabyte megabits per second, then I prefer for you to get something more stronger, more higher. But for this works for my system. It has Bluetooth 4.0. It has chipset Intel dual band AC7620. Supported operating systems are Windows 10, 32, 64-bit, Windows 8.1 if you're still on that system, 32-bit and 64-bit. Windows 7 if you're still operating on that system, which I know a lot of us still do. 32-bit and 64-bit, and it supports Linux. It is Wi-Fi certified 802.11 AC, and I'm glad to have it. So this is what you get in the box. It is Wi-Fi AC200, which is up to speeds of 300 to 800 megabits per second. All depends on your Wi-Fi connection from your modem carrier. It could be Xfinity. Just like I said, I'm with Xfinity. I have 500 megabits per second. That's my plan. That's my speed. But if you are higher than that, get something more stronger like the AC5400 or better. Now, you see the parts. I'm going to go ahead and install her in the system. She's going in my gaming rig. I am coming off the AC 600 megabits per second, which is about 350 to 450 megabits per second. So I want to go ahead on and do more speeds with my system and have Bluetooth if I need to transfer files from my phone to my system. All right, let's install her. All right, everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back. This is the conclusion to the AX200 Wi-Fi 6 adapter I just installed, and she's great. Everything is up and running. Everything is working. Now the Bluetooth is picking up certain amount of Bluetooth, but it's not picking up all my Bluetooth. So I have to go ahead and find the right drivers off Intel because it's an Intel device. Find the right drivers off Intel and download the driver so it can pick up all my devices. But right now, it's only picking up a few devices that it could pick up, which is my Scepter E32, which is my display I'm on right now. If I want to connect Bluetooth or my 4K television, it can do that as well too. And my Roku, which I brought for my grandson, is picking up that. Now on the Wi-Fi era, it picked that up immediately, fast and quick. Now the only thing I don't like about it that it didn't come with a driver's installation disc. It would have been nice to see it instead of having certain devices download from a third, fourth, or fifth party device manufacturer. That's why I'm not having full access of my Bluetooth 4.0 right now. But once I find the right drivers, I am all set, ready, and it will take off. But right now, she's good on the Bluetooth for now until I go ahead on and get the rest of my other devices, such as my Crosley 210 speakers, 200S speakers, my cell phone, etc. My wife's Samsung television, that which hers is automatically Bluetooth anyway. When she's enabled it, I picked that up, but she turned that off right now due to people who are trying to hack into it. But that's a long story. But other than that, she's fine. Wi-Fi, she's good. All Wi-Fi's are up and running. My network, my network, my network, my network, other network, it picks that up. So she is good to go. Speeds are there. I don't have to worry about anything. Look how fast that popped up. Usually when I was on the Fab Smart N600, that is a good um Wi-Fi as well too, it only picks up certain amount and gives me a little limited speed. But other than that, this device's AX200 is moving fast, and I like it. But I had to rate my sports. I used to have to wait a little longer than that. Then they came up perfectly. Shopping is good. Perfect. So I don't have to really wait too long for anything. But other than that, she's good. She's ready to go. Once I install the better Bluetooth drivers, got to go through them, then I'm all set, ready to go. But will I recommend it? Yes. Now the seller is out now. I purchased the last one from him, which is the PCie Wi-Fi 6 for Intel AX200 Wi-Fi card dual adapters. Now, if you have an Intel device such as an old Intel Windows 10 like the 1150, 1155, 1156, or any Q Intel's 775, if you're on the Q processors like the Q9550, it will work for that automatically. It will pick it up. You ain't got no issues with it. But if you own certain AMD motherboards, it will have a hard time picking up all the drivers or downloading the drivers. So you have to check for that. But for the ones who do not like to wait, there are some good ones up here, like from EDUp. I'll be putting all EDUps in the link in the description below if you want to purchase of them. So you got the EDUp PCIe Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth card AX5400. You got the AX210 and the AX1800. So I'll be putting all three links in the description below. Just pick which one you want. They are Windows 10, Windows 11 certified. So if you are on those two operating systems or Linux, you are good to go. So that will conclude this video of the AX200 Wi-Fi 6 adapter. She's good to go. Easy to work for me. Easy to install. Just like I said, I wasn't a big fan of the downloaded from a fourth or fifth party driver, so I'm gonna have to find the right driver to access the Bluetooth. Other than that, I'm up and running, and I'll give y'all a quick update after this video is the drivers are installed. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All right, everybody. The update I said I was going to give you after doing a lot of researching, I have found the drivers of the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I installed the drivers. They're fine. I don't know why Intel do this here, but Intel, y'all really need to stop this here. It don't matter who's buying the device. And this goes for all manufacturers, whether it's AMD, NVIDIA don't do it. NVIDIA got all their device drive for all GPUs up there. So kudos to NVIDIA. But AMD and Intel, you gotta stop doing this here. Don't matter what device you buy, don't matter how old the product is, stop discontinuing devices such as motherboards, CPUs, etc. Let's stop continuing. So if AMD developing team as well as Intel, we need to stop that. So I happen to find the drivers and I saved them in my computer folder. So if I need to go to them, there are here. There are Intel DN2820FY on the Bluetooth and on the Wi-Fi drivers. If you don't trust the drivers from a third and fourth party manufacturer, which I do not like doing that. This is why we all recommend to say, hey, download drivers. It is DN2820FY for the wireless technology. If you do get this device right now, just like I said, the seller who's is out of stock right now, so he's waiting on his shipment to come in. I'll be putting these links in the description below, as well as the ones from Amazon if you do not want to wait. Just like I said, I don't mind waiting, I don't mind paying less. But right now, the ED Up, which I use a lot, and I have all ED Up drivers constantly. I have my Comfast, I have my the AC200, and I have the ED Up 1300 Wi-Fi in the room. So I am good. ED Up is where I go. Um, if I did want to pay the price, because when I had went on it, there was out of stock. So everybody buy Wi-Fi 6 because a lot of people are updating their system to 1 gigabit or better. But mine's fine. Everything is up and running. I don't have to worry about it. Well, look at that. Websites are up and jumping. Shopping, perfect. So I ain't got to worry about no sputtering, no delay issues, etc. You know, everything is up and fine. Sports will take a little longer, but that's what it is. I mostly do my sports, Miami Dolphins. Look at that, up and running. I mean, I used to have to wait with the Fair Smart N600, but I don't have to wait no more. Everything is right there. So to conclude that short, I have found the drivers of the Bluetooth. If y'all don't believe me now, when you open this here error bar here, you see Bluetooth. Bluetooth devices. Add Bluetooth. Add Bluetooth. And y'all see it. Y'all see my Crosley S200. That's a blessing. Now I'm going to see if I can connect my phone up, because you should see my phone is the Moto G. If that pops up, then we are good to go. Let's see. Where's my Bluetooth? Got it. Pair new device. And there go my Moto G. It's everything is there. Now I don't have to worry about nothing. If I want to go Bluetooth audio, it's working. Perfect. But I have everything connected wired. But if I want to go Bluetooth audio, everything is fine. Everything running. My phone is right here, as you see. Moto G Power 2021. No, I'm not updating my phone. I'm tired of spending money right now. So I'm happy. This will probably be my last upgrade for my gaming computer. This is my gaming computer because when I download and update games and stuff like that, I want everything to be snapping. So other than that, I'm good to go, and I don't have to worry about nothing. I have everything up and running. They got my Crosleys. Everything's fine. If I want to turn on my Bluetooth, I could turn it off. If I want to turn it on, I can turn it on. You see the little button to the top say Bluetooth devices. So that's a blessing. Everything is good. Everything is fine. Thank y'all for Just bear with me till I find the drivers for it. I found them. Thank you for looking up. I wasn't going to give up. I'm researching the rail constantly, and I always constantly research it. But just like I say, Intel and AMD, stop discontinuing devices. It still work in 2024. It's going to work in 2025 and beyond. A lot of people still have old systems. A lot of people are on a budget. Some people, like I said, the ones I show for ED Up, some people may not have the $25 or $30 in their pocket to buy a new one. Some people may have less than that. So do not discontinue any devices. I found the drivers. I'm happy. I'm up and running on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because I downloaded the devices for Wi-Fi. So thank y'all for watching. I'm happy. Everything is up and working. And y'all want all of you in the tech world to have a wonderful and blessed holiday season. Peace.